52, Farmall 51 here. This here is a 1970, 71, I think it's 71 International Cub Cadet 147 hydrostat. Friend of mine, when you start collecting mess, and everybody knows you're an international fan, people will give you stuff all the time. So, and yeah, so this was given to me by a good church friend of mine. He goes, I got a buddy who's took this in to restore it and work on it for a gentleman, older gentleman, and he passed away while it was there at the store before it had gotten, they had taken it apart to, I think he wanted it restored and worked on. And what I understand is he passed away after that, or before they started on it, and the family told him to just do what you want to with it and get rid of it. So here we are with yet another project. But this is a, like I said, 1971 Cub Cadet 147 hydrostatic tractor, as Al Jones would like to refer to them as, a lawnmower. Lawnmower. These are lawnmowers. Lawn tractor, lawnmower. That's a tractor. This is a lawnmower. Because you'll get in a hot discussion on any group on Facebook or anywhere. You start calling them tractors and lawnmowers, and it's just a. All right. Well, anyway, moving on. But yeah, you can see here. Here's the. I think it's K170 something. I think that's in here. I have to look at the book. I can't remember what it is, but it runs. It actually runs. It needs a rear tire here because it has a hole the size of my fist in the bottom side of it there. So everything is here. Everything 100% is here. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to restore it. I've got the 382 which is Rhett's, and the Cub Cadet original, which is a low 4-digit, Cub Cadet. So this is a hydrostat. This will be good to take to shows. You throw it in the back of the truck without taking up too much space and go to a show if you want to. Also, I could use this around the yard, pulling the roller or the aerator or something like that. So be good working. The transmission does work. Hydrostatic here. Serial plate back there on the back. They put these in. Let's see, you can read that if you want. But I believe it, like you said, it was a 71 model, but everything worked. Like I said, they took it apart to restore it, and like I said, he passed away, so to get it out of his way, the family didn't want it. So a friend of mine got it, and then he said something about he knows it. He said, I know who'll want that. So yeah, like I needed another project to work on. But I do appreciate it very much, and like I say, it might not get, it'll get put back. It'll get put back together. I think me and Red are going to put this back together here soon, and we'll get it running, and we will use it. I don't know if I'll restore it or not. I may. Like I say, everything there's a whole box of headlights, and there's a headlight model, so a lot of those up there, the grill is up there. A lot of them had just a plate up there, a black plate, but this one actually has headlights in it, so that's kind of neat. But everything's there. There's a headlight bezel there, I think. But we'll put it back together. May do a video on that. May do a little series on it. Nothing else, getting it back going. If we can figure out how to get all that stuff back together. It does have the electric lift on it, which was an added option, I think. There you can see that there. No mower, there's even the coil in there. Whole wiring harness and everything. It doesn't have a mower deck with it. Like I said, I plan on, I wouldn't mind cutting grass with it, but we won't bother with that. We'll just use it to pull stuff or ride around on. And have something to ride around on, play around on, because Rhett and Carson and all them, they like to take their Cub Cadets and stuff and ride on. If Carson can get his finished, you need to help him, Gavin. Y'all need to be getting, them Cub Cadets working, or either sell them to me. One, if you can't get it, like, you need to get it. Need to get it going. If sell it to me, you can just sell that 1282 to me. That'll be fine. So, but yeah. So it's a Cub Cadet 147, and I probably can find a tire or get that one. I don't think I can fix that tire, but we'll get a tire put on it and get everything put back together and have fun with it. Somebody wants to. Worse than I do, they can it can go down the road if it wants to, but other than that, we'll put it together and play with it some. And see, everything is there. Oh, list of parts, solenoids, voltage regulators, all that stuff. Here's a little. I may put this for sale here. This is a little electric lift for the deck. Now I don't know if they had the deck or not, but. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.